Welcome to English Boost Motivation. We are very happy to have you here. This channel is created for everyone, but especially for those who are new on this platform and new to learning English. If you feel shy, confused, or afraid to speak English, this channel is for you. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way, and that is completely okay. Through this channel, you will find motivational stories, slow English lessons, simple spoken English, and real-life inspiration. Our content is designed in a very easy and clear way so that beginners can understand without pressure. We focus on simple words, short sentences, and clear pronunciation.
A hard life begins. Arif was a poor boy. He lived in a small village. His house was old and weak. When it rained, water came inside. Arif was 14 years old. His father was sick. His mother worked in other people's houses. Money was always a problem. Arif wanted to go to school. He loved books, but sometimes he had no notebook, no pen. Still, he had one strong thing inside his heart. The boy who walked every day. Every morning, Arif woke up early. Before school, he helped his mother. He carried water, he cleaned the yard, he cooked simple food. Then he walked 5 kilometers to school. Other children had shoes. Arif walked barefoot. Some boys laughed at him. "Poor boy," they said. Arif stayed silent. He believed silence was stronger than anger.
Love for learning. Arif was very serious in class. He listened carefully to the teacher. English class was his favorite. The words were difficult, the pronunciation was hard, but Arif tried. He wrote new English words on old paper. At night, under a small lamp, he read again and again. Sometimes the light went out. He still read in his mind. The day he almost quit. One day, the school asked for exam fees. Arif went home quietly. His mother looked at him. She understood everything. She said softly, "I'm sorry, my son." That night, Arif cried for the first time. He thought, "My dream is finished." The next morning, he did not go to school. He felt empty.
A small act of kindness. An old teacher came to Arif's house. The teacher said, "Where were you today?" Arif told the truth. The teacher smiled and said, "Education is your right." The teacher paid the fee. Arif's eyes filled with tears. That day, Arif learned something important. Kindness can change a life. Learning never stops. Arif studied harder than before. He helped other students. He practiced English every day. He spoke English slowly. He made mistakes, but he never stopped. People began to respect him. The poor boy was no longer weak. He was becoming strong.
A new life in the city. Years passed. Arif moved to the city. He worked during the day. He studied at night. Life was still hard, but his mind was strong. One day, he got a small job. The interview was in English. His hands shook. His voice was slow, but his words were honest. He got the job. The boy who became an example. Arif sent money home. He repaired his house. His parents smiled again. Children in the village talked about him. They said, "If Arif can do it, we can too." Arif never forgot his past. He taught poor children for free. Love final message. Slow English. You may be poor. You may be weak today. But your future is not poor. Learn step by step. Speak slowly. Never feel ashamed. Your story is still being written.